Once upon a time, I caught a little falling star. I tied it in my handkerchief and said, "Ma, you are mine." He winked at me, he blinked, then he began to cry. "If you keep me, oh, I shall die." He cried, oh my, but I'm not a falling star, only a wee firefly. I'm running back up to sky, as we flew on high. His merry little twinkle says, "Future, goodbye, goodbye, boarding."
Thank you so much, Jewel.